This is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to learn how to expand binomial expressions using the FOIL method. We want to expand and simplify, using the FOIL method, the expression x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 2. And we're going to do this using the FOIL method, which stands for firsts, outsides, insides, and lasts. Which is the algebraic version of expanding, this binomial. So we're starting with x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 2. And to do this, we're going to use FOIL. So the F stands for the firsts, which means the two first terms in both the brackets, so the x and the x. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply x by x, which is our firsts, and that's going to give us x squared. That's our first term. Secondly, we're going to multiply the outsides. So if we're looking at this whole expression, the outsides are the two terms on the outside, so it's x and negative 2. So we're going to multiply x by negative 2, which is our outsides. And x times negative 2 is minus 2x. We're then going to multiply the insides. So we're looking at this expression, the insides are the two terms on the inside, which is 4 and x. So I'm going to multiply 4 and x to give us the insides, which is plus 4x. And lastly, we're going to multiply the last terms. So in both these brackets, the last term of this bracket is 4, and the last term of this bracket is negative 2. So I'm going to multiply 4 by negative 2 to give us our lasts, and 4 times the negative 2 is minus 8. And so we call this the FOIL method because if we use those initials, F-O-I-L, we've just FOILed that equation. Secondly, we just want to look, is it possible to simplify this expression anymore? And hopefully you can see, yes, we can, because minus 2x and plus 4x both have an x, which are like terms. So if we want to simplify this anymore, x squared remains unchanged, minus 2x plus 4x gives us a remainder of plus 2x minus 8. And that is the expanded version. And that is how we can expand binomial expressions using the FOIL method. Fantastic.